In this video, we solved the sixth question from the subject electric circuits in the GATE EEE 2021 question paper. The question is, in the given circuit, for maximum power to be delivered to RL, its value should be dash ohms. Round off to 2 decimal places. The circuit is given here. Voltage source, AC voltage source is given. Frequency is given as omega equal to 1k radian per second. And inductance is given as 4 millihenry. Capacitance is given as 0.5 millifarad and 2 ohms is connected across the voltage and RL is connected here. We have to find the value of RL for which the maximum power to be delivered. So this question is given under the topic maximum power transfer theorem. So let me recall some formulas for the maximum power transfer theorem. For the maximum power transfer theorem, in the case of the condition for maximum power to be delivered to the load resistance, in the case of DC networks, RS should be equal to RL. RS is nothing but source resistance. It is nothing but the equivalent resistance other than the load resistance. The value of RS should be equal to RL for the maximum power to be delivered. The condition should be like this. So the condition is satisfied for the value of source resistance equal to load resistance. In the case of AC networks, this RL is equal to ZS. ZS is the source impedance, where Z is equal to RS plus JXS. Okay. So the magnitude of this one is RS square root of RS square plus XS square. So this is the formula, this is the condition for the maximum power to be delivered to load resistance in the case of DC networks and in the case of AC networks. So the given circuit is AC. So we can consider this formula, second formula, and we solve the problem now. So here omega is given, so we will convert the circuit into omega domain first. So given voltage, inductance, capacitance, resistance is given as 2 ohms and this is the terminals. Load resistance is connected across these terminals R. Now we are converting the inductance and capacitance into omega domain. So for conversion, L becomes j omega L. So j into what is given? Frequency is given as 1k radian per second. So 1 into 10 power 3 into 4 millihenry. So 4 into 10 power minus 3. So it will get cancelled. So this will become J4 ohms. So we can write this as J4 ohms. And for capacitance 1 by Cj omega. So that is equal to 1 by J into 1 into 10 power 3. So capacitance is given as 0.5 millifarad. So 0.5 into 10 power minus 3. So it will get cancelled. 1 by 0.5 is 2. So 1 by J is minus J. So minus J 2 ohms. So we can write here as minus J 2 ohms. So to find out Thevenin impedance, now we are converting the circuit into Thevenin circuit into. Now the voltage source is short circuited. Here short circuited. Inductance, resistance, here capacitance, so inductance is J4 ohms, capacitance is minus J2 ohms. So this, now the terminals can be opened to find out the looking back impedance Z Thevenin. We are going to find the Z Thevenin. Now the Z Thevenin equal to Here inductance and capacitance are in series. So J4 minus J2 parallel with resistance. So this will become J2 into 2 by J2 plus 2, that is equal to 4J by 2 plus 2J into conjugate of this is 2 minus 2J by 2 minus 2J. So let me simplify this. 8J plus 8 by A plus B into A minus B is 2 square plus 2 square, root of 2 square plus 2 square is 8. So this will get cancelled. So the answer is 1 plus J for the Z Thevenin. So what is the formula? Load impedance. The condition is for the maximum power to be delivered is RL should be equal to ZS. That is equal to root of RS square plus XS square. So here Z Thevenin is ZS. 1 plus J we found out. So real part is 1, imaginary part is 1. So 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root of 2. So value of RL equal to the load resistance for which the maximum power to be delivered RL is equal to, we found out the answer as root 2. So root 2 value is 1.414. So we found out the answer for the load impedance as 1.414. So the value of load impedance is 1.41 is the answer.